We're a civil engineering company by trade. We maintained our own in-house fleet at our facility just up the road. We kind of outgrew the facility with our growing fleet as we expanded, so we were looking for more of a workshop to kind of service our fleet. We found this place, which was obviously a lot bigger than what we kind of needed, and we got obviously MAHA in to do the pits and the ramps and everything. But because it was on a bigger scale, we've now decided to open up to the general public. MAHA had the best recommendations. We got some reviews from other people. We went to one of the shows and spoke to a few people there, and everyone just spoke really highly of MAHA. So we've got 2 of the HGV pits up to MOT standard, and then we've got a 3-ton, 5-ton ramp installed in the unit as well. It's been working really well. The guys love it. It's, gets them, off the floor. They can use the pits to do the work with ease. We're civil engineers by trade. We're not in the motor industry, so all of this kind of equipment was foreign to us. But they really did talk us along the way and explain everything really well. In terms of the MOT lane, we could do up to 10 vehicles a day. A couple of times a week we're offering extended opening hours into the evening, so we could do a few more from that side. Obviously that appeals to the trade. People can go and work all day and then bring their vehicles of an evening, and it again reduces their downtime. Yeah, we'd recommend MAHA. As I said, we were complete novices in this industry. We haven't got masses of experience with different types of equipment, so we were kind of going in blind really, and MAHA just made the process really simple. Made sure that we didn't miss anything. As I say, we don't know the extent of the equipment we're going to need, but they spent the time and made sure that we had everything covered.
Initially, I was in the military, joined in 1997. I think one of the things that a lot of people from the military tend to go into when they leave is project management, mainly because of our ability to be able to multitask and deal with different things going on at the same time. MAHA actually came in as one of the most expensive. Price is obviously going to be one of the main things that everybody considers. But I was also looking at other things like reputation. After sales care, I think was also a big factor in our decision making, and I ended up going out to 4 separate companies and getting quotations from all of them. The one thing that kept coming up with MAHA was their reputation. Everyone you spoke to spoke really highly about MAHA. So even though other companies were coming in, some quite significantly cheaper, their reputation was always in the back of your mind. Whereas every time you spoke to anybody within the industry, MAHA, even other companies within the same industry, were pitching MAHA, saying they are the best. So when you've got your own competitors telling you that these are the people to go with, it just made it a no-brainer for me. There's absolutely going to be teething problems, but pretty much everything I've gone back to MAHA with, we've had a solution or an engineer here within 24 hours, sometimes the same day. And you can't really ask more than that, to be brutally honest with you.